All right, gentlemen, I'm going to do this video. I'm going to try my tripod that I got. All right, so hopefully there's not a lot of glare in here, but I got a little bit of the light coming in. So anyway, so I'll leave that here for my buys. So anyway, I have 75 to spend. All right, so for 30, I'm buying 10 infantry. Okay, there's my 2 free guys for that. All right, and then for 21, I'm buying 3 tanks and another infantry, 3 left over for an infantry. And for 21, I'm buying 3 infantry and a bomber. So that's 12 and 9. Okay, so that's 21. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it gives me another free guy. All right, so there's my buys. All right, now I'll go ahead and put them over here to the side. Surprise, no tank, no ships this time, but we have to beef up the homeland. Okay, so there's the buys. All right, so I'm going to try to back this up a little bit, and we're going to see how this does without me knocking off half the thing. All right, so I'm going to have an attack up here in Siberia. All right, I'm going to take this transport's going to go 1, pick up an infantry and artillery, come back 2 and land here. This artillery, is it showing on the camera?
Yeah, it's showing.
All right, is going to go 1, pick up another infantry and artillery, and go 2. All right. Okay.
I'm going to go to Verdant Hardware to pick up another can of primer.
Huh?
I need to go to the hardware store to pick up a can of primer. So
Okay, all right. And then, let's see if it's still in the video. Okay, this bomber, picking up 2 infantry. Okay, going 1, 2. All right, and he's going to have 4 left. Okay, these dice are marking my moves, so he's going to pick up 2 infantry from here. All right. Okay, so there'll be 2 more infantry. All right. The planes off the carrier, okay, are going to go 1, 2, or they're already here, so they're going 1, 2. All right. And that's going to be 3 fighters, and 3 tacticals. All right. And they'll have 2 left. All right. So that's that battle. Okay. The next battle is, let me swing it over here and get it down. I hope you can see it good. All right. Everybody from here is moving into northern Indochina. So 5, 6, or 3, 6, 9. The bomber's not. 3 artillery and a tank. Okay, we're going into North Indochina. All right. Okay. All right. Next battle. We'll go swing that over here. Get rid of these pesky Russians. Costing me an arm and a leg. We're going to move in 2 tanks, 1, 2. 1 mech. Okay. And 4 fighters and 2 tacks. Okay, going to hit that. All right. And that's what I got for that. All right. Okay, that's all my major battles. All right, the next battle is going to be the big one in the Pacific. I'm going to do the moves for it right now. So we'll tilt this up a little bit. All right. We know what you got for your fleet. So you guys got to let me know if you're scrambling. All right. I'm going to hit it with my fleet and some planes. So I do have, for my tech, super subs. So I'm bringing in 11 subs, 1 battleship, 1 destroyer, okay? Bringing in 1 bomber, one fighter attack's going to go 1, 2. All right, 3, 4, and they'll land back in the Philippines. All right, I'm also bringing this bomber. Is going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and this bomber is going to have 2 left. So he's going to go 5, 6, land in the Philippines. Same with these. Then this bomber is going 1, 2, and he's going to have 5 left since it's an air base. All right. So that's what I am going to be hitting you with against your ships. All right. So, all right. So let's start with this battle here. All right. I'm going to lay out the dice real quick. So you have 3, 4, 5, 6 twos. 4, 6 twos. All right, and I've got 4 twos and 2 ones. 4 twos, 2 ones. All right, and I've got 3 threes and 3 fours. Okay, 3 threes and 3 fours. All right. So I'll bring this around for the rolling of the dice. Okay. I'll swing that down just a tad so you can get the whole board in. All right. So I'll bring the guys over. Okay. Okay, you got twos. All right. And then I'm going to bring in 4 artillery. Okay, 2 artillery, 2 infantry, and 2 unpaired infantry. All right. Okay. And 3 fighters and 3 tacks. Okay. All right. So here's my first roll. All right. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits. Okay. So that'll be 3, 4, 5 right there. All right. You roll. And you got 3 hits. Okay. So I'll use my 2 ones. All right. 3 infantry and paired artillery. All right. So you have 1, 2 left for your artillery. All right. These 2 are gone. So I got 3 twos left. 1, 2, 3 twos, and my plan. All right, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits. All right, and you roll, and you missed. All right, so you guys are gone. All right, I'm just gonna leave the casualties here. All right, and I'll have 3 ground units and planes. All right. All right. 3 planes. Got them all magnetized so they on a magnet. All right. 2 infantry, an infantry, and 2 artillery. Okay. All right. and then he'll move later. All right, the next one's a simple one. I've got all the guys down there. So I'm just gonna roll I don't know, 5, a tank and a couple artillery. So, and then you got 1 dice, okay? So at least here's my tank. I got 3, I don't know, 6 artillery. 3, 4 artillery. And I'll just pair 4 infantry with it for now. For the first part of the roll. Alright, I just need a hit. Alright, I got a hit. Alright, and your 1 guy. And your guy misses. Alright. So, that's down there. Hope you see it alright. He's gone. He's gone. And this is going to be back to Japanese. This is going to be the Japanese. Alright, put the casualties over here. Alright, next one's going to be is your 5 guys, okay? Your 5 Russians. And boy, the Japanese hate the Russians, I tell you that. Alright. Alright, and then on this one, I'm going to have 2 tanks and a mech. Okay? A mech, 2 tanks. Alright. And I'm going to have 2 TACs and 4 fighters. And I'm not even going to bring them over. I'll leave them there. And they'll have 3 left actually anyway. And they're going to go pretty much back where they're at. So here's your 5 guys. Alright. My 2 tanks. My mech. Alright. 2 tacticals. And 4 fighters. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's what I got. Alright. So get 5 hits. We're done with this. I've got 4 hits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. And yours. And you got 1 hit. Okay? So I got 4 hits. 4 are gone. Leaves your artillery. Alright. And let's roll it again. 1 mech. 2 tanks. 4 and 2. And a hit. I got plenty. Alright. 1 guy. And he misses. Alright. So he's gone. Capture with the tank and 2 backs. All right. Okay. Woohoo. Sorry. China's off the board again. All right. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, and British will go down 1. British 1, 2, and then I'm going to go back up 2 more. 1, 2, 53, and they're going to go down. The Russians are going to go down to 39, and I think it's 38 because I took that one too. But we'll have to. Oh, and then I got a walk on right here. All right. So that'll be another one, and another one down for them. So I might be wrong, but I got Russia at 37, Japan at 68, all right, and Commonwealth at 39 for right now. So that's what I got. So that's it for attacks. All right. Last attack is that big one over there. All right. I'm going to go ahead and move it to the battle board. And it'll be basically there. All right. I'm going to move it to the battle board, and we'll go from there, you know. So, because then the rest of it will be non-combat. I'll wait until after the battle's over to see what happens. So, all right. So I'm going to just pick up all your guys. I'm assuming you're scrambling because I heard comments about scrambling. But if you don't, we'll put them back. So I'm going to put everything you got in my hand right here. All right. And I'll move it to the battle board so you can see what you got. All right. All right, so I got an aircraft carrier. Okay. All right, we're going to have one cruiser. All right, that's going to be with the battleship. Okay. Then you're going to have another cruiser by itself. You're going to have an Australian cruiser. All right. And you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 destroyers. Okay. All right. And then they're going to have one transport, which is 0. Actually, you got 2 transports, I thought, over there. Oh, no, you moved one down. All right. And you got 5 fighters. Okay. All right. And they're defending. So it's going to be pretty dicey here. Okay. Actually, I'm just going to put them all on one stand of the fighters. So 3 Commonwealth. Let's put it down here. What the heck. So 3 Commonwealth. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 4s. All right. You're going to have 2 3s. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2s. Okay. What you're going to have. All right. I'm going to come over here and pick up my mess. All right. All right, so I'm going to have 11 super subs, a battleship, and a crew destroyer. I'm going to have a battleship, destroyer, 11 super subs, okay? And then you're also going to get the roll for AA too. So I'm going to have 1 fighter, 1 TAC, and these will be 2 shots of the bombers. All right, and I'll leave their stands here so we know there are 3, and then of course these will be going 1, 2, 3, 4, and they'll be coming back to the Philippines also. So, all right, so you're going to have 2 2s here. You're going to have a 3 and a 4 here. All right, and we'll, of course we'll see what. All right, so then I'll bring this over. All right, so that's what we're going to have. They'll get 4 AA shots for sure, and then I'll have a battleship, 11 super subs, destroyer, and 2 bombers, a fighter, and a TAC. So that's what we got. All right, and if you can either want to tell me how you want to take your casualties and I'll roll it, or, you know, we'll see what we want to do. All right.